number 8. Let's look at number 9 here. We have 3 more questions. It's pretty good. It says which order pair makes both inequalities true? Okay, so let's look at 9 here. So I have inequalities I have here. This is y. Y is less than negative x plus 1, and then y is greater than x here. So I have these 2 conditions, and which order pair makes both inequalities true? So let me try a here. So a here is negative 4 and 7 here, right? So this is my x value and my y value. So let's look at the first one guy here, the first term here. So this is 1. I'll do, I guess this is red is 2 here. So in the first restriction here, the first inequality here, y here, which is simply for a is 7, is less than negative 4 plus negative 4, negative 4 plus 1. So I have 7 here is less than negative 4 is 4 plus 1. 7 here is less than 5 here. And this solution will not be correct, right? This here is this here would not, option A is incorrect because this here is 7 is not less than 5. So I can assume A here is the wrong answer given this here. So this here is wrong. I can look at B. It says here negative 5 and negative 8. So I have again y here, in this case is negative 8 here. Again, this is my y value. Negative 8 is my y value here. And I can say it is less than negative 5 plus 1. So I have negative 8 is less than, I have negative 5, which is positive 5. 5 plus 1 here is 6. So this works out, right? 6 I know is greater than negative 8 here, which is great. And then let me check the second restriction here. Y has to be greater than y has to be greater than x here. So negative 8 is greater than negative 5. In this case, this is not correct, right? I know that negative 8 here is actually less than negative 5. So this solution is not correct. So this order pair does not work. Let's try C here. So C here states that this is 0 and 0.5. So again, I have here, the y here is 0.5. It is less than negative x is 0. So I have 0 plus 1 here. 0.5 is definitely less than 1 here. So this is good. And then is y less than x here. I have 0.5 less than x here, which is 0, sorry. And this here is also correct, right? Because 0.5 is greater than 0 here. So C is the only order pair that makes both inequalities true. So C here is the correct answer. I'm just going to check D for you real quick so we don't have 2 answers in this problem. I have 1 and negative 1 here. Y is again negative 1 in this case. It is going to be less than negative 1 here for x plus 1. Negative 1 is less than negative 1 plus 1 here is 0. This will not be my solution, right? Because again, 0 here is actually no, this here is correct. 0 is greater than negative 1. Sorry. And then, but I would have to check my my other solution, which is y has to be greater than x. Negative 1 has to be greater than 1. This here is not correct here because negative 1 is less than 1. So D here is not correct as well. Therefore, C is my only correct answer. And they got this as well. C is the correct answer. That's good. Let me just double check their work. So option A, they did this. That was correct. 7 is 7 here is less than 5, not greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5, not less than 5. This holds true. That's good. But negative 8 is less than negative 5, not greater than negative 5. C is correct. And then D here is incorrect because negative 1 is not greater than 1 here. So the solution here is correct. Great analysis here. So this